abin da muke yi yana mu da no akwai jarabta understand ko ku ji ni da kyau akwai jarabta kun gane ai ko mu jarabta yana ne daban idan baka ce me ka da diya ka so diyanka na irin abin da ke tsara daga nan ko ne ka so shakara before yi magana mun kila wannan ke sarautan behold Igbo sun Ghana baki daya eso ya bada speech shi ku ji message da shi mai zo da shi.
First of all, I want you to know that I'm your brother.
Yes.
I lived here 97, 98. I was living there behind 441. Then we are bringing goods from Nigeria to Ghana, we supply. And we found Nima as a conducive place for we to live. And God really blessed us here. A lot of traders in the Nima market knows how important we are when we are living here. And when my brother, Mayor of Nima and Afro Arab, posted the advert of coming to have a tour within the ghetto area to say no to drugs, to say no to intake of drugs, to say no to drug trafficking, to say no to the destruction of our people, I promised to come. And today again I came, I also met with Chief. I'm very glad. I want to let us to know that what we determine to do is what we can achieve. If we say we want to be in a situation that we cannot be able to provide for our families, we cannot. If we say we want to provide to our families, it means we have to apply hard work. And how do we work hard? You work hard when your mind is sound. You work hard when you can be able to think and be focused. You work hard when you can be able to say, I want to save pure water, make money out of pure water. Today, there are so many businesses you can do to make money and become okay. Ordinary 500 Ghana cedis can change your life if you are selling pure water, if you are selling takeaway rubbers, if you are selling rubber bag, if you are selling even paper in the market. As long as you are focused that with these 500 Ghana cedis, my life can change, I can become a millionaire. Believe me, you will. But if your mind is not sound, if you are smoking, if you are taking in hard drugs, there's no how you can think well. You always be tired, you always be high, you want to sleep, you want to go out there, you want to fight, you are not thinking on how to become better. But the question is this, the little money in your pocket, if you use that money to smoke today, what about tomorrow? As long as you're not doing business, it will become difficult for you to survive for tomorrow. But when your mind is sound, you'll be able to do work, you'll be able to work hard, you'll be able to think about children. Many of us might have children, but we don't have money to take care of them. Many of us might be married, have a wife, but you cannot take care of your wife. Some people, our wife will say you are stupid because you cannot take care of them. Tomorrow they will leave you and remarry again and see you as a stupid man. But if you are working hard, if you are not smoking, if you are not engaging your mind in hard drugs, you'll be able to work hard and take hold of your family. When you are in charge of your family, you become the man of the house. But when you're not in charge, you can never be the man of the house. So please, I'm urging you, my brothers and my sisters, that are engaged in this kind of hard drugs to know that it's not the best. If you are ready for rehabilitation, we are ready to help you and support you. We have various rehab centers that we are working together with them to help and support you to be rehabilitated and become somebody. You know, whatever that is in your system for many years, it will take a little longer time to get out of that system of yours. But if you want to be here and go and do business now, believe it will be so hard. You still waste the money. But if you unveil yourself to change, we'll take you to rehab and we'll be able to help you, support you. After we rehab you, we'll help you to set up business. It's assurance. We want to see you to be a better person, to help Mother Ghana and to help Mother Africa. God bless you and thank you. The good news we brought to you is you must stop intake of hard drugs. The good news is we have rehabilitation centers for you. The good news is we have job for you to do after you get out of this situation. The good news is this: we want to see you as our brother. The good news is this: we want you to become a better person tomorrow. The good news is this: we want to let you know that you should be a man enough to take care of your children, your wife, and the people around you. The good news is this: that you can do it. You can do it. It's all about determination. You can do it. It's all about you agreeing yourself that I will do it. You can do it. It's all about you thinking that yes, I want to be one of the richest men here in Nima. You can do it. You want to say no to that man bringing drugs for you to buy, destroying your life. You want to say no to his business. Because the sources where you are buying it from, it is somebody's business you are making it to grow. And that business is not doing good for you. That business is destroying you. And someone else is making money out of that. So today, we are pleading with you to say no to that business that is illegal, that is not helping you. We also want you to know that the mother Ghana and the mother Africa need you. We want you to know that you are important to us. If you are not important to us, we will not leave what we are doing to come here. Nobody is putting money in our pocket. Nobody is giving us money to come here. But we came because we love you. So we want you to be a changed person from today. If you cannot change by yourself, come. We will make opportunity for you and available where you will be in a rehab where your life can change and you become a better person. And we will unite together with Afro-Arab, Nima, Mayor, and many other people and Chief here to support you financially to get something for you to do. Hey, I want to let you know that 500 cedi can change your life. All of us here, we drink pure water every day. Am I right or wrong? Think about in your mind, about 20 houses here in a day. How many sachets of pure water we can take? And there's a lot of profit in that sachet water. You can start it in this corner. Believe me, in the next 6 months, you will expand with 500 Ghana cedis. But if your mind is not sound, if somebody give you 500 now, before the next 24 hours is finished, you have to buy crack, you have to buy heroin, you have to buy weed, you have to buy cocaine, you have to buy whatever. And that money you are putting in somebody's business. Yours is not growing, yours is destroying. So we want to let you know that we are ready to partner with you to change your life, to partner with you, to make you to become a better person, to partner with you, to make you to marry, to partner with you, to make you to take care of your children, so that you have a better life. We want to say thank you and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. We brought a good news for you. The good news is, if you determine to change from today, not to be a smoker, if you determine today that you want to change, you don't want to be taking crack anymore, heroin, weed, cocaine, gum, whatever you may call it, you want to change today, we are ready to help you to change. The good news, we want to let you know that the world needs you, Ghana needs you. You can become the president of Ghana tomorrow. You can become the MP of Nima tomorrow. You can be the Greater Accra Regional Minister tomorrow. But it all depends on you if you want to change. But if you don't want to change, you want to still remain a smoker, you will never get there. Rather, you will destroy your life. But we want to let you know that we will help you to change you. We send you to a rehabilitation center. After that, we will set up business for you. Yes. There are so many business we can set for you. With the help of Afro-Arab, the Nima Mayor, Chief himself here, and all of us here, we can help you to establish business for you. But not in this condition. Any amount of money we'll give you now, you will spoil it. Even if we set up a bigger supermarket for you here, you cannot run it. We'll set up a fitness shop, you cannot run it because your mind is not settled. You want to be high, you want to smoke, you want to sleep, you want to be high and get a woman to chop for 2 hours. No. But if we take you to where to change you, we can set up business for you. Some of you have dreadlocks. You know how much you spend to go and do the dreadlocks? You spend a lot of money in the barber shop to do your dreadlocks. The person you pay money is a human being like you. We can set it a barber salon for you tomorrow. So you can also start cutting people's hair. And we are not joking. We are sure of what we are talking about. So we want to let you know tonight that we brought change for you. So support us so you can get the change. How do you support us? Bring out your time, determination, and agree with us. God bless you.